The Casström No.8 SFK is a compact and versatile blade inspired by our renowned No. 10 Swedish forest knife and a few centuries of Scandinavian utility knife tradition too. Crafted from premium Swedish 14C28 stainless steel, the No.8 SFK combines good edge retention, toughness and corrosion resistance. The 8cm long, 3mm thick blade is perfectly sized for efficient cutting, carving and fine detail work. In addition, the Scandi grind and the full tang construction ensures reliable performance on any outdoor camping trip. I like to call the No.8 SFK the little big knife, as it's comfortable to use in any hand, no matter if you have small hands or a big paw. The ergonomic handle, complete with the reassuring finger groove, makes it perfect for precise control and choking up on the blade for those finer tasks. You can choose from beautiful Scandinavian curly birch or tough, weather-resistant green micarta, paired with a vegetable tan leather sheath. Do you need more functionality? That's not a problem. You can get an optional matching Firesteel in either handle material for the complete survival knife setup. Lightweight, versatile, bushcraft ready, the No.8 SFK is your go-to knife for thriving in the great outdoors.